Sanskar documentary film Tasgaon. The history of social, educational, economic, cultural and political development of Maharashtra cannot be completed without mention of contribution of Tasgaon in the development of state. The place is famous for ancient Ganesh temple, for circus, contribution of freedom fighters in Quit India movement, grape cultivation and resin production. Former Deputy Chief Minister and President of Sri Swami Vivekananda Shikshan Sanstha, late Honorable R.R. Patil Abba, has made tremendous contribution in changing this drought-prone area into irrigated land. Founder late Shikshan Maharshi, Dr. Bapuji Salunkhe, founded Sri Swami Vivekananda Shikshan Sanstha, Kolhapur in 1954. The Sanstha is named after the great Indian philosopher Sri Swami Vivekananda, and its motto is dissemination of education for knowledge, science and culture. The Sanstha has successfully leading under the valuable guidance of Honorable Principal Abhay Kumar Salunkhe and Secretary Principal Mrs. Shubhangi Gowde. Padma Bhushan Dr. Vasantrao Dada Patil College, Tasgaon, was established in 1962 and named after visionary leader, former Chief Minister and former President of Sri Swami Vivekananda Shikshan Sanstha, late Vasantrao Dada Patil. The college campus is spread over sprawling campus area of 11.5 acres, providing perfect ambience for education and enlightenment. Located at entrance of the city of Tasgaon, spacious and lush green college campus attracts attention of everyone. The college provides best infrastructural facilities with spacious and separate parking, lush green vegetation, well-architected buildings with 50 well-ventilated classrooms, 10 modern classrooms, 3 smart classrooms, commerce laboratory, common facility center, well-equipped laboratories, computer lab, well-stacked and computerized library, study room, women's hostel, canteen, playground, spacious auditorium, seminar hall, staff restroom, administrative block and plenty of washroom facilities. The green campus of the college has all the facilities like RO purified water and separate student parks for boys and girls. The campus is made eco-friendly with rainwater harvesting, groundwater recharge, vermicomposting unit, mulberry garden, butterfly garden, medicinal plant garden and plant nursery. The green campus of the college is under the CCTV surveillance. The solar and wind hybrid power system generates electricity to run the office computers. At the time of foundation, there were only 62 students enrolled, but at present there are 3,172 students pursuing various programs in the system of arts, commerce and science. The college offers 8 programs in arts, commerce and science including BA, BCom, BSc, BCA, MA, MCom, MSc and BVoc. During last 5 years, the college has offered 45 skill-based career-oriented certificate courses to cater educational needs of students. In various departments, 32 research students are pursuing their PhD and MPhil under the guidance of 14th research guides. Under the leadership of Principal Dr. Milind Huzre, there are 81 teachers working in all the 3 faculties, out of which 23 teachers are PhD holders and 6 teachers have received National Research Fellowship. During last 5 years, 171 research papers of faculty have been published in national and international journals. The faculty have undertaken and completed several minor and major research projects funded by UGC and DST Dr. Ajay Ambore has obtained a patent in chemistry. The faculty have written and published 40 books. The non-teaching staff, including administrative and menial staff, devotionally works for the smooth functioning of the college. Quality has been the constant obsession of the college. In the academic year 2017-18 and 2018-19, our Mahavidyalaya has been honored with the first rank in the Faculty of Arts, Shivaji University Merit Scholarship Scheme. Moreover, in the year 2019-20, the college secured first rank in Faculty of Commerce Rural Category Shivaji University Merit Scholarship Scheme. In the last 5 academic years, our students have consistently won the university gold medals. Ms. Megha Vitthal Mane has won 8 prizes, including the university gold medal. In addition, our student in English, Economics, Geography, Mathematics and Chemistry secured first position in the university merit list. Our student, Ms. Reshma Mulani, has been honored with the first rank in the university merit list in the Faculty of Commerce. Students from Marathi department are continuously achieving merit at university level. Apart from quality education through this department, activities like film production, workshops, rural literature conventions, writers' visits, folk culture discovery, Marathi Rajya Sabha Divas are celebrated by our student. 1 student qualified SET and 2 students have passed NET exam. Translation courses is run along with Delhi Education through Hindi department. Hindi Day and many other activities are celebrated, and personality development workshops and other activities are also celebrated through English department. Literary association also run by all 3 language departments. In the year 2014, Nilima Patil from Department of Economics got first position in the university and Sanika Patil achieved 5th rank in the university. In 2017, innovative activities like Mother's Visit to College, workshop on tea nomination organized by the department. The Department of Geography had organized an international seminar in 2017 at Panchgani. The students of Geography Department, Dipali Jagtap and Pranali Chavan, has received merit scholarship from Shivaji University. The Department of Sociology had organized a national seminar on soft skill development and women empowerment. The national seminar was organized by the Department of History. The Commerce Department organized Sales Skills Fair, Ayurvedic Cosmetic Production and Sales, Vivekananda Bank and banking activities were introduced. Ms. Reshma Mulani has been awarded the first place in the Commerce Department and the 3rd rank in the University General Merit List. The department has set up a modern commerce laboratory, and through it, various business-oriented certificate courses like Tally, Excel, Export, Income Tax Certificates courses had been introduced. A butterfly garden has been set up for the conservation of butterflies through the Department of Zoology. The project has been developed for the purpose of vocational skills education to enable students to earn money through silk production by breeding and rearing silkworms. Mulberry has been specially planted in the college premises for this purpose. Related training is also given here. Students are trained in beekeeping. For the purpose of self-employment, the production and training on vermicomposting is provided here. The department also runs apiculture practice, and the students are being provided with training on beekeeping. The botany department has maintained medicinal plant garden and plant nursery. The chemistry department of college provides modern facilities to the researchers. The department organizes outreach activities for the high school students. The NCC unit of college has been consistently achieving great success under the guidance of NCC officer who has been awarded the DG NCC Commendation Card by DG NCC Directorate General, Ministry of Defence, Government of India, New Delhi. In this unit, 52 cadets are undergoing training every year. From year 2016-17 to 2019-20, 5 cadets of department were selected for Republic Day Parade. In the last 5 academic years, a total of 39 cadets have been selected for national camps in various states of India. In the last 5 years, 42 cadets have been selected in various defense departments like Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, Maharashtra Police Force and CRPF. Our NCC unit organizes various social activities like Yoga Day, tree plantation and blood donation camp. The NSS unit of the college is point of honor for the university. Our NSS unit has been continuously supporting the Pani Foundation competition in Adopted Village. The village has won a prize of Rs 10 lakhs from Amir Khan's Pani Foundation. Along with special camps, the NSS unit has organized yoga camps, cashless transaction workshops, relief in flood affected areas and health checkup camps. The program officer is recipient of Mahatma Gandhi Sevagram Ashram, Wardha's Outstanding Program Officer Award. The NSS unit organized special camping programs at Adopted Village and forest dams. The college has made remarkable contribution in COVID relief through My Village, COVID-Free Village scheme. Our volunteers distributed masks and sanitizers, participated in Corona vaccination program and organized COVID awareness webinars. Various sport training is imparted on spacious playground of the college. Ms. Pragati Patil, athletics player in the sports department, received Padma Bhushan Vasantrao Dada Patil District Sports Award. Ms. Manisha Mohite has won the Maharashtra State Bronze Medal in boxing. In fencing, 2 players had selected in Shivaji University team and 2 players for Ashwamekh Sports. To promote the sport, the college had successfully organized a state-level Kabaddi competition on the occasion of the birth centenary of Shikshan Maharshi Dr. Bapuji Salunkhe and a marathon competition on the occasion of Principal Abhay Kumar Salunkhe Amrit Mahotsav. The one-act play Avgha Rang of the Cultural Department of college has got the first place in the district and the 3rd place on division level at the 39th Youth Festival of Shivaji University. Our team has won the 3rd place in the National Advocacy Competition at Vivekanand College, Kolhapur, and the 2nd runner-up in University Poster Presentation Competition. Ms. Karishma Avle has been selected for Marathi movie Galli. The college organizes Vasant Avishkar competition at the university level every year to promote research. Every year, the college publishes a magazine called Sanskar to encourage students to write literature. 2 articles of the students have been honored by the university. Through the research promotion scheme, the teachers and students are being provided with seed money for research projects on local problems. The spacious library of the college has a total wealth of 31,678 textbooks, 21,795 reference books, 46 journal subscriptions, 87 video CDs. The Enlist facility in the library provides teachers, students and researchers the opportunity to deepen their knowledge using the e-resources. The library provides study room facility to the students with ready access to the books. Along with regular BCA program, the BCA department runs certificate courses in C++, cyber security and introduction to artificial intelligence. The student placement track record is excellent. Our students have been placed in many reputed companies such as Britannia, TCS, O2H Private Limited Ahmedabad, LIC, HDFC, Hyundai, Arctic, Organ, Zaveri Pharmacom, Cipla, Cisco Research, Pharma Research. College students are working as scientists in reputed research institutes. 2 students are working as researchers at the International Research Center in Hyderabad. Shri Sheetal Devkule has been selected as GST officer. The college has signed MOUs with 20 different institutes like Lake Institute of Business Administration and Computer Applications, Pune, InstaVision Laboratories, Satara, Asura Pharma Training Institute, Sangli, Hirwal Environmental Institute, Miraz, Itihas Mandal, Miraz. The college runs well-reputed Yashwantrao Chauhan Maharashtra Open University Center and University Distance Education Department. Aiming at intellectual and social upliftment of female students, the Women Empowerment Cell of the college stands for facilitating women's empowerment through guest lectures, seminars, workshops, awareness programs, and other welfare activities. A well-furnished girls' hostel has been set up to facilitate the education of girls in rural areas. The college canteen serves snacks, beverages, and meals at reasonable rates. The college has competitive examination cell. The competitive examination festival is organized by the department. 10 teachers of the college have been honored with various awards. Teachers have been honored with various awards like Jeevan Gaurav Puraskar, Kovid Yodha Puraskar, Adarsha Shikshan Puraskar, Young Researcher Award, Yuva Shikshanananda Puraskar. The Career Guidance Cell has been working proactively. The college organized international conferences in the geography, botany, zoology, and chemistry, and national conferences in history, economics, zoology, and chemistry. In addition, webinars on several topics were organized. The Registered Alumni Association plays a vital role as one of the important stakeholders of the college. The college has still opportunities to attain excellence in curricular, extracurricular, co-curricular, research and outreach activities. We are committed to provide quality education and best facilities to our students under the able leadership of Principal Dr. Milind Huzre. Thank you.